Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Taurus. So watch this video if you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. So this is going to be message for Taurus for September 2021. And if you don't already know, then I'm a Moon and Venus in Taurus myself. So I look forward to these readings. And Taurus readings are very, often on this channel. We post them very often. And all the other signs are jealous of us. But anyway, who gives a shit, right? So give me present energy for Taurus, please. Five of Pentacles. Ooh, what is happening? Three of Cups. Don't worry, this is not going to happen for a very long time. Alright, so what I see right off the bat is Taurus, that there was somebody who just kind of, mean. I will not say mean, but this person was like, they kind of took advantage. Like this person was somebody that you really helped them through their thick and thin. But then when you were hoping to get some help from this person, they were not there for you. All right. So I see somebody kind of left you out in the cold, did not support you when you were expecting. You were really hoping like a lot from this person, but this person did not give you what you wanted. Some of you, there's some financial crunch going on right now in your life, or maybe you're not happy with what you're making. All right. So either you are exactly having financial problems, or otherwise you're not satisfied. So there's like a dissatisfaction right now, which you are battling. What is coming towards you next is the Three of Cups energy. So do not worry. Whatever is not working for you in the present is going to work for you in the future. So in the next 3 months, I see some sort of celebration coming in, and I see that good times are going to be restored. It's just that for now, just sail through. Also, you really need to take care of your health, because I see that the strain that you're having right now, that somebody left you, or maybe your finances not working, is actually taking a toll on you. All right, so you really need to take care of your health. Health should be your priority. Everything will fall at place. All right, Taurus. So that's your message. And with the Three of Cups, I definitely feel that you will be reconnecting with some of your friends, or I see that there could be somebody from the past who would like to reconnect with you. Or I just see that your message, your advice is to meet people, try to socialize, or maybe just talk to people on phone. All right, if you cannot meet, just try to talk to people. All right, that's going to give you happiness that you're not able to see right now in your life. Okay, what else? So what is happening in Taurus's life, please? Yeah, Two of Wands. I see these days you're strategizing a move, like it's like you are working towards something in your career or finance, and it's like right now things are just in the planning phase. So you are consciously trying to elevate your life from this position. You know, Taurus people are very hardworking. Every time they are given an obstacle, or some sort of dip happens, or some sort of setback happens, they don't sit and cry. They always try to get back at work. So I see that's exactly what you're doing. Whatever has been worrying you, you're trying to make a plan and you're trying to move forward. You're not sitting and crying over it. So very quickly you are getting into action is what I see. I see that you're trying to make strategy, make a plan towards something in your career or finance, which is going to set you free, which is going to bring in the independence that you're looking for, or the opportunity that you're looking for. All right, that's a good thing. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. These days I see you are just trying to take a break from everything, especially love and whatever, and you're just very focused on your stability. Like you're trying to work something about your career and finance is being highlighted here. I see you're trying to manifest. I see you're trying to strategize, make a plan, go for it. That's the kind of energy which is reflected here. So your focus is a lot on your independence, it's a lot on your money, it's a lot on your career. And I see that you're trying to make a choice, all right? You're trying to make a choice between two things. So maybe you have in your mind 2 different ventures that you can work, and you're trying to see what can work for you. For others of you, you have 2 job offers, or maybe 2 career paths. So it's like right now a lot of strategizing, a lot of planning etc. is going on, and you're just very focused to build up yourself. Okay, what happened in the past for Taurus? Why is this 5 of Pentacles here? 5 of Cups. Taurus, I see that you have really gone through a major loss recently, and you felt that there was no other choice for you to rather walk away from the situations. Like you were just putting in a lot of effort in this connection and it was just not giving you anything, or this situation. It's like something happened and it just left you with no other choice to rather walk away. And it has been difficult, all right? So some of you, a major transition has happened in your life, which has led to a lot of disappointment, a lot of discontentment. Some of you, you've become very spiritual or very religious after this phase, and it's like you're just trying to find answers from within. You're not trying to go out to anybody to see why things happen with you. You're just trying to reflect as to why things happen with you and what you can do different in your future, so that you get into this happy state of energy. So it's like something has been left behind by you which was not working. Like you were tired of putting in effort into the situation and then you finally gave up. You were like, no, I can't do this. I rather focus on my finance, my career, my stability, instead of sitting here and draining myself. So that's your energy. You are just moving ahead with your life and you just do not want to sit and wait for somebody to change their ways. You don't have time for that. Yeah, 2 of Swords. I see the obstacle was that somebody was not making a choice. Like whoever you were dealing with, this person was just not making a choice about you. They were just keeping you hanging there. They were not giving you the clarity. And then the tension started growing between you and them. And it was very draining for you. Like, sitting and waiting for somebody, hoping for them to change is worse than breakup. Because in breakup, at least you have clarity that we are not together. But then sitting and constantly hoping that one day this person is going to understand their responsibility and then that person never doing it, it is draining. It is draining, definitely. And I see that is something which has happened with you. And now you're just trying to basically move on, do you in your life. It's difficult for you. It's very difficult for you, I can see that, but you're doing it one step at a time. One day at a time, you're moving forward. Let's see this person's energy towards you, Taurus. 5 of Wands. This person never expected you to move forward. They thought that you will always be stuck there waiting for them. So this person is feeling very conflicted. I also see this person as a low-level drama bitch. So it's like unnecessarily they just create drama in your life. And it's like this person always says things opposite to you. So if you will say we will go in the north, they will say no, we'll go in the south. Like how some people, they will always say opposite of what you have to say. It's that kind of energy. This person always had a different opinion from you. I see it was a struggle of different opinions rather than anything else. I see you people just were having very different set of opinions, and that was leading to all this conflict between you and them. But now you feel you don't have time to sit and wait for this person and you're trying to move over this person. You're like just going with the flow of your life and doing you. Yeah, see? You're just trying to move forward. You feel, what's the point of sitting there waiting for this person when this person is never going to change? Let me just do me. 6 of Swords. You just basically packed your bag and left. Some of you literally did that. For others of it, it's a mental thing. Like mentally, you just prepared yourself that I cannot deal with this person or this situation. I better move forward. So you're doing that. Some of you also have a child with this person and that was very difficult for you to move forward, but I see maybe a friend of yours helped you to get out of this situation. But yeah, you're moving forward. You're prioritizing new cycles, new beginnings in life. You don't want to go back to this situation which was so freaking painful and draining. So you're very focused on the new beginnings in life. Some of you, you're manifesting a new beginning. Especially career and finance is highlighted here. So what is coming towards Taurus in love though? 6 of Wands, victory. This is beautiful. Some of you, love is going to show up very unexpected in your life, because right now I feel that you are not even interested in love. You're like, fuck love, let me focus on my stability, but it's going to happen when you least expect it. And it's going to be very, very good. 6 of Wands is no joke. Some of you, you're going to reconnect. Yes, reconciliation is possible. For others of you, I see that, but this is not this toxic person. I see this is someone else from your past showing back in your life. But for others of you, for most of you, I see this is a new beginning with someone who's very stable. So maybe your next person could be somebody who's in the public eye, or this person is a leader of some sort, or they are like a CEO, or they just are a manager or something. 601 shows that this person is in a very victorious position, and you're going to connect with that kind of person. Your next connection is going to be very victorious because this is 601s. Victory is coming in for you. Be it career or be it love. I see you will be in a very strong position. It's like you have learned your lessons and now you've become very strong. Over the time, things have just made you very, very strong. And you manifested this. You manifested this new beginning, this victory. Some of you, you're also going to be recognized in a big way. So maybe if you have a social media presence or something about that, some sort of recognition is coming in. And in love also, I see somebody very famous or somebody who's known, quite popular is going to enter in your life. 8 of Swords is just asking you guys not to go back to your past situation, because I see that somebody from your past, especially an air sign or water sign, will try to pull you back. Yeah, the Tower card. So it's like somebody here is a drama queen or a drama king, and this person does not like the fact that you're going towards this new beginning. So this person will try to pull you back. Just be careful that you don't go back to where you have leveled up from. All right? Clarify this Tower for Taurus, please. Ace of Cups and the Hierophant. Yes. I see a breakthrough. I see a new beginning coming in love. Some of your next person could be a Taurus or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I don't know. Could be a Aries, Leo, Sag. I see a very stable person coming towards you. Like this person is going to be no drama, no bullshit. It's like this person straight away talking about marriage or whatever. Your past person was not giving that to you. But this person is going to. This person can also be a past person, by the way. For some of you, I feel you already know this person. This next person is also somehow known to you. So it's a friend, it's a colleague or something like that. And it is all going to happen very unexpectedly. So very unexpectedly, someone is showing. And also, I see someone who is going to try to drag you back into the same cycle. Just be very careful that you don't get manipulated. Because somebody is going to try to, show you false hopes and try to get you back in the same position. Be very careful. You have a breakthrough coming in love and also in money, and this looks like a new beginning. All right, Queen of Cups. Yes, love is showing up for you. Very sensual, very emotional, very romantic kind of love. So your next person is going to be very emotional, very sensual, And this person, again, as I said, this could be someone who's known. And how will you recognize this person? They're going to talk about commitment, like Hierophant and the Ace of Cups and the 601. This person is not going to talk about, this person is not going to be about, let's just be friends first and then we'll talk about marriage. No, they'll be like, let's just get married. Let's just make it official, all right? So I see a very stable love coming towards you. So let's see about this past person. What is Taurus feeling about this past person? Ace of Swords. You just want some sort of clarity from your past person. It's like somebody did something and they were not telling you what it was. Now you just hope that this person one day comes to you and tell you what it was. So some sort of closure is what you are hoping from your past person. However, I see your, your intention is also marriage and family and kids and everything, and you realize that this person will not be able to give it to you. So it's like you are leaving this past person in the past and you're moving towards this new beginning. Because you know that you want stability, you want a be all and all, and this person is not able to give you that. So you are basically making peace with it and you're moving forward. Alright, what is the advice for Taurus? You kind of realize that, you gave so much to this person and they never valued, so what's the point? Your advice, again, the Knight of Swords. I see there will be somebody who will try to get you in a one-night stand or maybe friends with benefit kind of situation. It's a past person, like this toxic. I see you have 2 past people or 1 past and 1 new, I don't know. But we have 2 different set of energies. So we have Ace of Cups, Hierophant, 6 of Wands, and then we have 10 of Swords, 8 of Swords. So it's 2 different people. I see this past person, this toxic person will try to get you into a one-night stand kind of a situation, or they will try to promise you empty promises. Just be careful that you don't get caught in it. and you use your brain. Some of you, you're also advised to take things little slow. All right, you're just trying to rush in. You are trying to rush things. Don't do that. Because I see drastically things changing for you for a better. So money, career, and this love situation is also coming in. But all of this is going to happen slowly and gradually over the time. So don't try to rush. Queen of Swords. Yeah, somebody just acted very cold and mean towards you in the past, and now they want to return. See? But this person is returning with their fuck boy, fuck girl attitude back again. So they haven't changed. Be very careful. Alright, what is coming towards Taurus in September? Moon card. So again, be very careful. There will be somebody who will try to manipulate you. They're going to show you something else and they're completely opposite. Be very careful. I think the theme for you in September is to be very careful. Like, don't trust people closing your eyes. Keep your eyes wide open, alright? Because I see some sort of manipulation going on. Also be very careful. Take care of your mental health. I see you're draining yourself and it is kind of taking a toll on you. So be very careful. Also an apology or a message coming in unexpectedly. Unexpectedly somebody wants to apologize to you. And your money looks good, by the way. You're very focused on money as well, so it is definitely showing in. Alright, let's take a Moonology card for Taurus for September, please. You and your loved ones are safe, so in case you wonder, and have faith in your dreams. So some of you are manifesting something big in your money, career situation, and you're not trusting it. It's like you're setting very high goals for you, but then you don't trust your own self. Stop doing that. It is going to happen. Okay, so we have 3 cards for love. Unrequited love, retreat. See, I told you, there is someone from your past who is still a piece of shit. Don't get back to this person, okay? They are just unrequited and you should retreat from this person. And we have true love coming. You definitely have 2 people. One person is a true love, other person is a piece of shit. You need to identify. Alright? Make a wise choice. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.